Thousands of UFO files has been released by the CIA for common people to download and see. But why did they release all those files now? Could it be a disclosure to the CIA? Wait till the end of my video to know all the answers. Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Amartya's World. If you like my video, then click on like button and don't forget to subscribe the channel. So let's get started. The massive data on UFOs includes more than 2,700 pages of information collected and recorded by the United States government. The UFO-related declassified documents date back as far as the 1980s. The information was reportedly released as a result of several requests under the Freedom of Information Act over the past 25 years. In a report, The Guardian, a news website, said that these documents are currently available at the Black Vault website. The link of this website and the UFO documents to download is given in the description below. Look at that too. Black Vault is an online archive of information related to UFOs. The information was sought by John Greenwald Jr., founder of Black Vault. He reportedly purchased a CD-ROM that the CIA has made with its UFO document. One of the reports among the declassified files by CIA was about a mysterious explosion in a Russian town, and the declassified file was of a first-hand account of a strange sighting of a flying object near Baku, the capital of Azerbaijan. These types of reads are mostly found in a science fiction novel. But believe me, and the evidence is, these files are official government documents. I have given you the link below so that you could see those files on your own and the sources from where I have collected this information. The CIA has made difficult to use their records for any purpose, and due to being old, some of text of those files have been disappeared as well. But well, even though in the course of time we have get some of the toughest evidences. But whatever it may be, such a big disclosure of UFO files having such extraordinary claims revealed by CIA is itself a big event. If the CIA has collected a lot of information about the UFOs, then why was it hiding from the common people? Was it waiting for the right time so that people could see it and understand everything on their own? Is it a disclosure by the CIA? And if yes, then why now? I think that the government wants people to learn more about UFO secrets, and we are getting ready for the real meeting with aliens. So let us wrap up our video here itself. If you like it, then drop a like button. Subscribe the channel. Bye, take care, and wait for my next video to come. Till then, take care, and look at the description to see the sources and all the files, and share it to everyone, because this information must be common to every people. Thank you.